All right, so you guys want me to guess grip clean without looking at which product it is, huh? All right, Josh, I'm gonna need some help with this one. But man, I am confident this should be no problem.
Let me mix them up here.
Yeah, mix them up for me. Maybe, any day.
There you go. There's... That was a bad choice.
No, what is this crap? It smells like gas.
All right. Now with our second choice here. This one should come out the bottle a little bit better. You gotta put your hands up. There you go. All right.
Oh, what is that? I mean, excuse me, that stuff sucks. Ow, it feels like shards of glass in my hand. Nope, not grip clean. Come on.
All right, grip clean.
Do I even have to look?
Please be grip clean. Please be grip clean. Oh.
Oh my gosh, yeah, grip clean. Come on, get out of here, guys. This is the best feeling soap. It's smooth. It's got the perfect amount of gritty texture. And well, it's poopy brown because the dirt absorbs all that grease and grime. Best one there is.